Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Anita Apothecary box for Mabon, or Autumn Equinox. I am just getting home from work, and I am very excited about this box. As you can see, I have not opened it. I'm working on it now. I am a little bit scared because it looks really rough. So hopefully everything made it okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. The Magick of Mabon. Oop. Come back to that. Oh, so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh. We had a crow or a raven and a moon. Oh. We've got a lovely, it's a tarot card. Wow, I don't know what deck it is. Super beautiful. Wow. A kind bar, cool. Honey, wrapped in twine. I got two beautiful little star candle holders and two little candles. Lovely. Witch's Floor Sweep Home Cleansing. Mabon's Very Fun. Place a small amount on your floor. Gently sweep throughout your home to cleanse and absorb negative energies. Oh, this is so wonderful. See, this is my favorite kind of magic. The practical, like, just everyday kind of stuff. That's so cool. I love it. Mulling spices. I do love mulled cider. I love it. I love it. I love it. I make it in the crock pot. So a traditional blend of orange peel, lemon peel, cinnamon cloves, and allspice. Brew as a tea or add to wine. I could probably add it to apple cider. We have some delicious organic apple cider here in the Pacific Northwest. Oh, look at this beauty. It's heavy too. Looks like a, oh, I was going to say it looks like a candle holder. And there's a sweet little candle inside. Oh, the candle. I love her candles. I love it, I love it, I love it. I cannot wait. I have never been big on buying witchy candles. It looks okay. Mabon Magic. But I love the ones I get in my boxes, and ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I'm trying to actually buy one for the first time ever from her shop. They're beautiful little cauldrons. I don't know if you've seen them on her Instagram. Ooh. I've got a little bit of liquid. Hopefully everything's okay. Please, please, please let everything be okay. I really, oh, I am leaking here. Uh-oh. Please be okay. Oh. Oh boy. Oh. So we've got some leakage. It smells amazing. Mabon Spice, the Magick of Autumn. Brown sugar and autumn spices, all natural body scrub. Yes. I will totally, oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I cannot wait. That's awesome. I love it. Okay, let's see. So I think that one kind of leaked, not because of the packaging, but I think just because of the rough handling. The Magick of Mabon Ritual Oil. Look at all the goodies in there. Oh, my hands are a little slimy slime. Ow. Ouch, my left arm is weak again. Ooh, smells good. Wow. Wow. Interesting. Let me just get the last few items out of here and see if they're still surviving. Hey! That's what's up. They survived. Nothing was broken. So that is a Mabon miracle. Ooh, apple butter. Mabon Spice apple butter. Yum. Delicious. And then I know what this last item is. Let me see. It is a bronze mortar and pestle. Very cool. Very, very cool. I'm getting a significant collection of mortar and pestles. Very cool. So, let me make sure everything's in frame. I love this box to pieces, guys. I love it. I love, first of all, let me just say, Marie has the, just like, I can feel like her energy on this, and it is wonderful. She's my favorite. This is my favorite box. I mean, I love all my boxes, but this one is particular favorite just because, you know, I don't know. It's just the je ne sais quoi that I feel from it. It's just like, it's so unique. Different types of magical energy and uses and purposes. I just really dig like the whole person vibe. I'm digging it. The Magick of Mabon. Magick of Mabon was curated with all things special to the energy of autumn. Mabon as well as Samhain are some of the most loved holidays for witches and pagans. The energy is high, the veil thinning, and the comfort of the hearth fill our hearts, homes, and souls with magic. I have chosen some of my personal favorite things to share with you all. I hope you can use the contents of this box for your own fall ritual, whether it be collecting herbs for winter storage, mixing teas and tinctures, preparing altar offerings for your ancestors, or taking some personal time to reflect on the past year. I wish you an abundance of blessings and a magical season. This box was created to aid you in working with the Magick of Mabon, Spirit of Samhain, and Autumn energy. I hope you find the items inside useful to your craft, made with love, intention, and magic from my home to yours. I truly hope you enjoy what I've curated for you in this box. Love, Marie and little Anita. So we have the candle. Scented with apple, cinnamon, and orange. It smells like apple cider. She's absolutely right. Mulling spices. Traditional fall drink when added and brewed with apple cider, brandy, or wine. You can even brew them straight and drink as tea. It has orange peel, cinnamon, lemon peel, cloves, and allspice. Delicious. Witch's floor sweep. Floor sweeps are common hearth witch tool and are used to spread the herbs and tension throughout one's home. This blend is curated to bring abundance, comfort, health, and cleanse while banishing negative energies. The kind bar, enjoy a little snack. Apple butter, Anita Apothecary apple butter, handcrafted with organic Gala, Red Delicious, and Granny Smith apples, are grown in my beautiful home state of Washington. My popular recipe includes herbs and spices of cinnamon, vanilla, brown and white sugar, and salt. Have been added for the perfect blend of fall flavor. Honey straws. Little honey straws are perfect to add with your mulling spices to keep them on hand, or keep them on hand when cold season hits. Magick of Mabon oil, handcrafted in the apothecary with vanilla absolute, orange, and cinnamon oils. Calendula petals dance around inside each bottle, along with other herbs sacred to the Mabon Sabbath, used to dress your candles, yourself, or your altar tools. There's the calendula. You can even add a few drops to your ritual bath. The Raven's Moon Patch. Hand screen print by artist Matt Guac of Vegan Patches and the Etsy shop owner Retirement Pun. His work is beautiful and functional. You can sew your patch on a jacket or place it in your altar for spell work and invoke the spirit of the Harvest Raven. Mabon Spirit sugar scrub. All natural body scrub made with brown sugar, almond oil, and autumn spices. Perfect. Wonderful for gardeners and harvesters who have dirty hands. Tarot Mucha bookmark. These little bookmarks are made from one of the most beautiful tarot decks I have yet to come across. Tarot Mucha. Each card has been intuitively chosen for you. Mini brass mortar and pestle. These mini mortar and pestles are perfect size for brewing up single servings. Brass candle holder. This little brass candle holder were chosen to be in this box to accompany your mortar and pestles. Light this guy when you work with the energy of autumn. Chime candles and candle holders as set of spell candles for ritual use. These brush gold holders are practical and great for travel. We hope you enjoyed this box, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting a small handmade business. We couldn't make this boxes without all your love and support. Ooh, I got a coupon. I need to use that to get me a cauldron this weekend. Future themes: the divination box, Mercury retrograde box, sea magic box, and the magical garden. I cannot wait. I love Marie, and I love her gear. She's one of my favorite, most talented witches, and I love, you know, I'm from the Pacific Northwest as well, and it's just enchanting to me that all this stuff comes from my area. And just like when you think about the percentage of things that are literally handmade by her, I really am moved by that, and I'm totally into this box. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. Follow Anita. Anita's her daughter, Marie, on Instagram or Facebook, because her shop and her stuff is the truth. I kid you not. And thank you so much for your support always, guys. I love you so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Good night.